Hey everybody, it's Journey. I'm here to do my TTC update, and first I want you to watch this video I made. So watch the video.
Huh?
Not playing.
Playing what?
Yeah.
Really? You pregnant?
Yes.
Oh, Jesus!
Oh, now it's there.
You are pregnant for real?
Yes.
The
test is right there. You can look at it.
I thought you were telling me that, oh my God! 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 We're pregnant! We're pregnant! Oh Jesus, we're pregnant! How long? How far? What's going on?
I gotta get the next one.
Oh my God! Ah!
Okay. Well, as you can see, we're pregnant. I don't even know how to react. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to say. My husband has said it all. He went from tenor to soprano when he found out. The funny thing is, when he looked at it, he turned around and he ran in there and said something like, I thought you were telling me, and later he told me, oh, I thought you was just telling me, trying to find a cute way to tell me to clean up that room. And then he went back, then he looked again, and it kind of clicked like, wait a minute, it's a pregnancy test up here. Because there was a pregnancy test on the wall and a little note. And that's when he realized that I was telling him we're pregnant. But he is ecstatic. When I tell you that yesterday, I have not seen that man smile as much as he smiled. He's a happy guy anyway, but he just kept gazing at me when we were out, and he was just so happy. Ooh, I'm nauseous, y'all. I thought it didn't kick in this early, but it's here. As you can see, I got saltines yesterday. We went to Walmart after we left my niece's school concert, and just walking around Walmart, I just kept gagging. I don't know, it's like if I walk around too much, if I bend over too much, because like my students take a nap, and that's how I figured out I was pregnant, like 9 DPO. And I hadn't tested or anything, but I knew like 8 or 9 DPO because I was picking up the kids' cots off the floor after nap, and every time I bent over, just like I would get this whoosh of nausea, and it was like, I'm nauseous right now. So I'm going to make this short, but I have a doctor's appointment today. It was already scheduled before we found out. So I'm still going to go to my OBGYN appointment, have them confirm it, see if they'll check my levels, which I'm sure she will. And I'll start my pregnancy vlog on Fridays. I think my days turn over on Thursdays. So I'm pretty sure our due date is June the 23rd. And our days turn over, so we'll be 4 weeks on Thursday, tomorrow. So I'll be doing my videos on Friday because I get off work early on Fridays. And I'll have time to come home and sit down and do it. And I have school on Thursdays after work, long day. So I just want to thank everybody, thank my subscribers for all your love and your prayers and your comments. I really appreciate it. And my new subscribers, thank you for subscribing, and I hope to see you over there in pregnancy land really soon doing your pregnancy vlogs. I think that's all. I think I got everything. So y'all be blessed. Bye.